Well, here's the plan. We're going to get this motorbike, which is not roadworthy anymore since the accident. We're going to get it up the stairs and we're going to put it out in the balcony so we can look at it every day and I can feel traumatized. I can't see how you're going to do it.
Creo que sería venir encima, sí o sí. Do you want us to try?
No, I think you need the other guys.
We can come tomorrow with another guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because if it tips, it's too much weight for one person to try to handle.
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's a stupid idea to begin with, but I'm not sure what's going to happen. I think they're going to make it, but I don't see really the point, because even if they make it, I'm not sure they're going to fit it through that door.
Probably not.
And even worse, through the other one. So, yeah, let's see how it goes.
I'm totally gonna make it. Be positive. It's gonna work. Totally.
Do you want to know what's going to happen? We're going to the pub.
We're going to the pub.
If it comes up without slipping, you won't have a problem because you got the momentum of the bike. But as soon as you got that weight on you, it's too much for a person to handle. And it'll be leaning one way or the other, and the other person won't be able to do much.
Do you think if you try to like you turn it on and we help you with the balance of the motorbike, do you think it will go up? Like the three of us, or do you want to? You don't want to do it?
No, I don't want to. I don't want to get injured either. I'm older than you guys.
And you've already got a history with this bike, right?
Yeah, I already fell off this bike once. Nearly died. I don't know. We should measure, shouldn't we?
Just.
I only want to get the job done. That's my intention.
They haven't got the manpower. They were coming with 4.
But the
Now
winch
they've come
should
with
work.
2.
They need someone to operate the winch while they hold the bike.
Yes.
Like,
That's why they need two
They need at least
guys on
3.
each side.
Oh.
So
I mean, unless they want me to operate the winch, there's no head, there's no.
I don't want you operating a winch. What if it snaps? Is there no way you can bring your other mates?
Now?
It'd be better to wait an hour, surf on YouTube, do something while he comes, and he's stuck in a hospital recuperating for weeks. This is Giovanni. Giovanni
how you going?
runs a pizzeria next to us, supplies all our user groups with pizzas, and it's called Ride-On-Pizzeria. So having
Welcome.
this in our office, this is going to be like the motorbike hub.
Pretty much.
We could give it a go and drop the pressure of the rear tire and see if we can go one step at a time, you know. Leave the clutch and you park there and then get one more step and then one more step. I can give it a go if you want.
You want to try? What?
I can try.
Okay, but we need pizzas made, and if you're in hospital,
No, I won't go to hospital because what you do, you gotta actually sit on the bike and I mean, if you want to do this, otherwise you have to get a crane. somebody that will hold it there, but it's dragging up. So this one,
Yeah, but you can hold the brake, the rear brake.
it won't be enough. It's too heavy. You need. We need to hold it with the rope. We can't hold it with the brake. Alright.
No, I think this is from here.
So this one goes there.
Yeah, I'm confident. I think he can do it.
No, I
Or
think
I
I
can
can
do
do
it and he can do it.
But man, for the money he's paying me, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
120% we're gonna make it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna sleep today.
Okay, beautiful. And then we two of us here, we go with the bike one more step, so you can shorten that one. I need you on the brake, and we pray for God that everything will be okay. You ready?
Can I get you with the steering?
Yeah, it's a little bit difficult now because but we can go up.
I think you take much weight.
On the brakes, yeah?
No, you're not doing
Oh no, not on me.
You know what? I wasn't confident at first, but I see them do their work. I think they're going to do it. It's not going to be a problem.
The bike is touching under. We're gonna place the little ramp under the front wheel so that it will lift the bike and we'll be able to pull it up with no issue. Like this. That's it. So like this, we go, pull.
No, that's
Okay.
like a,
Let me see. Can you try and pull now? But we need to go a little bit. Okay, we have to pull now.
We're 2/3 of the way up, feeling better, although I'm expecting it to bottom out on that step there. And now they can't use the power of the engine because the back wheel is not touching. So it's going to be, it's just going to be manpower now.
1 second. Okay. Hold that.
turn it on.
Oh no, now no point because the rear wheel is not touching. So what we need to do now is use the racket.
Adam thought it would be a really neat idea to put the bike on the balcony and light it up and let people know that it's here. Well, luckily I have to do weightlifting. So I've got this pretty steady at the moment.
Okay, now we have
We'll
it
see
here.
what happens.
It's all done, brother.
Now you gotta work out how to turn around.
Wow, that's amazing. That's a great effort. That is awesome. Who thought of this fantastic idea?